This is Zinnia, and she is one of 16 Beagles that was rescued from the Vigo Research Facility in partnership with the Humane Society of the United States, who is going to be caring for 4,000 of the Beagles. We are working to facilitate adoptive homes for some of the Beagles. So this first batch, we got 16, so 10 males, including Zinnia here, and 6 females. So they are going to be available for adoption over the coming weeks. We're working to assess them right now and make sure that their medical needs are all being met, and learn a little bit about their personalities, because they're all individuals, and then making sure we find them the right families. These Beagles were all destined to be used in laboratories, and so they were being bred for research, and so they spent their lives indoors in a kennel. So we are introducing these Beagles for the very first time to grass and to sunshine and being outdoors and to being handled and pet and receiving treats. So they're experiencing the first time what it's like to be a pet. All of our normal adoption procedures apply. We encourage the public to check our website, because the animals they'll be posted as soon as they're available for adoption. You will come in, you fill out an application, you do an interview, and we will work to match you with the right pet, and they'll be removed from the website as soon as they're adopted. We're committed to partnering with HSUS for the long haul, so we are going to be taking as many Beagles over the coming months as we can. I mean, Fairfax County is a county that is very passionate about our pets, and so we are primed and ready. Our community is ready, and we're excited to keep welcoming these dogs into our community. We do have 200 other animals in the shelter right now. This is a place of opportunity, and we have so many beautiful animals that are just waiting for a home.